Hi guys, today let's make this quick frame-by-frame cloth animation blowing in the wind. Use any animation software you like. Ready? Let's go. My canvas size is 1080 frames per second, 12. First, we need to draw some guides for the wave. Draw a straight line. Now add a circle at the start with its center roughly at the beginning of the line. Duplicate this circle across new frames 11 times, spacing it evenly all the way to the end of the line. Now, duplicate those circles onto a new track and move them to the opposite side. Okay, next, we need to offset it by 6 frames. The guide is ready. Now start drawing the wave on every frame. Using the circles as a guide, draw an arc that goes around them. It's important to start the line from the same point each time. Repeat this for every frame. Here's the wave we get. If it doesn't look smooth in some places, adjust the shape. Next, duplicate the entire wave onto a new track. Let's move it to the right. You can also change the rotation. Okay, and now offset it by as many frames as you like. Perfect. Now connect the bottom points. Between them, draw a wave where the arcs travel from right to left. The arcs can be different heights. Alright, now let's move to the top part. Here, the movement is more subtle. Shift the line slightly right and left on each frame. What's next? Add fold lines where the waves are quite large. And now draw the little turned up edge of the fabric at the bottom where you need it. Notice that the diagonal angle should stay consistent. That's it guys, subscribe to my Patreon to get useful resources, and consider becoming a sponsor of my YouTube channel to get early access to videos and my animation source files. This was a simple and quick lesson. What do you think? Let me know if you liked it. See you in the next videos.